Everyone, listen to me very carefully. Money. What is money actually? All of you know to what is money? Shake your head together. Pranavi, acha, ha, yes. Okay, acha. Without money, can we buy anything? Suppose we want to buy a dress. So, no. Acha, money, basically there is two part, na? One rupee, another paise. You have heard these two words, rupee and paise. Yes, Avigyan, have you heard this? Suppose 50 paise, that means it will be in paise. Suppose for one rupee, it will be in rupee. Now, how to write this one? Look at this. I am sharing the whiteboard. Acha, no need to write this. Just look at this. Huh? No need to note down this one. Just listen to me very carefully. Suppose I am putting this sign. That means, do you know, acha, Indian currency is what? Do you know? Indian currency? That is rupee, huh? Indian currency, that is rupee. Acha, this one is the sign of rupee or rupees, whatever. Okay, both the thing. And paise, if we put P, then this is the sign for paise, okay? Got it, everyone? Rishabh, Shuprit? Acha, okay. Now, one thing, rupee and rupees. Suppose I am writing rupees. That means definitely more than one. Suppose I have 1 2 rupee coin. Suppose I am telling I have 3 2 rupee coins. Okay. Suppose 500 rupees. Okay. So clear to rupee just basically singular and plural. Now look at this. In case of rupee, we can put this symbol or we can put RE dot symbol. It is already probably in your book. Okay. Just you can note down in the copy. All of you now take out your copy. Take out your copy for rupee. Write the symbol RE dot or this rupee sign. Okay. For rupees, what will be the symbol? RS dot or this rupee sign. This rupee sign is common in both of them. Look. But here, in case of rupee, we are taking RE dot. Why? Because we are taking the only first digit and the last digit. Okay. Only look, we are taking first digit and last digit. Okay. And in case of rupees, look, we are taking the first digit and last digit is S, na? That's why here RS. Is it clear? Everyone clear? Shake your head. Ha, good. Okay. Acha, for paise, just capital P, okay? Note down these 3 things, huh? Okay? Done, everyone written? Lamia, Anubhav, Mohammad Tarshid, Debi written too. Avigyan, I cannot see you properly. Debi, where are you? I can see only your image. Ah, yes. Now it is okay. Acha. Avigyan writing. Okay, completed. So now I am clearing the screen. Huh? Acha, now there is a relation between this rupee and paise. Before that, let me show you some notes and coins. Acha, suppose for rupee, 1 rupee coin is there. It looks like this. Look, let me show you. Huh? All of you are able to see the screen? Ishan, Rishit. Acha, look at this. Are you able to see it? Even in your book it is at page number 106. Okay, look at this. This is 2 rupee coin. So this one is 1 rupee coin. This one is 50 paise coins. These are shown only the coins. Okay, now how does note look? Look at this. These are the notes. Okay. Are you able to see? But this 20 rupee notes right now has been changed. Na? It is parrot green color. Na? Now rupees 20 rupee note is parrot green color at present. And even this 50 rupee note is also sky blue color. Na? Sea green color basically. Okay, these are the notes. Okay, this one 5 rupee notes. So what to do for these notes and coin? You will have to just make a revision of this page, huh? This total page and this page. Because I cannot draw these coins and notes. Okay, it is already given in the book. So just you will have to make a revision. Okay, you will have to just go through on this 2 page, 106 and 107. Okay, just go through on this 2 page at home. Is it clear? घर में 106 and 107 ये दो जो पेज है एक बार सिर्फ देखना, ठीक है, गो थ्रू करना. ओके, गॉट इट लामिया? कौन सा नोट कौन सा कॉइन कैसे दिखता है वो सिर्फ देखना, ठीक है. अच्छा, ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस. अच्छा, सपोज आई एम गिविंग यू 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Then how to write this one? By using symbol. 50 rupees. Note down this one. 50 rupees. How to write? How to use the symbol? By using symbol, write it. Acha, for this rupees, first what we will write? RS dot. Yes. Then 50. Write the numeric form. Rupees 50. Got it? Understood or not? Anubhav, understood? Okay. Acha, one more process is there. Suhana, Pushpak, understood? Pushpak, what are you doing? What are you doing? Acha, one more thing, or we can also write, we can put that rupee symbol, na? 50, yes or no? Both are correct, huh? Both are correct. Got it or not? So note down both the thing, this one as this one. Okay. Suhana done. Shreyam, Riddhima, Mohammad Riaz, Mohammad Tarsid and Shaptorshi. Done though? Okay, understood up to this? Onkon jana, Onkon pach and Pornik Maji, Pornik. Just shake it. Okay. Now look at this.